Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Prof Jean et on va parler de la structure de l'examen. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il se passe? What we are going to talk about today? We're going to talk about the structure of the assessment, particularly the unit tests that we are going to have 4 of them. Remember that one of them, the lowest graded, is going to be dropped, so no worries, do your best in all of them. And basically, they are going to consist in the following aspects. So you're going to have 2 hours to complete the exam. We say exam, but it's a unit test. Unit 6, 7, 8, and 9. And remember that the 10 is a cumulative exam with other units, and it's going to be the final exam. So we're going to have 4 unit tests. Those tests consist in listening, reading, and writing. In some of them, you're going to have explicit instructions in English, and you are expected to respond in French. You are going to have, for example, in the listening part, you are going to listen in French, let's say a conversation, let's say a short dialogue, and your responses are expected to be in English. In the reading, something similar is happening. The reading is going to be in French, you are going to read in French, and you are going to respond in English. And in the writing part, the instructions are in English and the response is expected in French. What is the main logic of this? Basically, is that we are assessing your performance. We are not assessing your memory. We are assessing your performance, what you are able to do. So, no worries. We have been implementing this since last semester and the outcomes are very good. So, no worries. I think that is maybe it's a little bit overwhelming for you if it is your first time with this kind of exam, but trust me, that is going to be fine. Also, the speaking part. So, because this summer we have 2 big oral exams, those are going to be separately done. One in the midterm and the other in the final exam. That's all. How is going to be that exam? We're going to talk about it, so no worries. How we practice the speaking part, may you ask? Basically, we are practicing on Flipgrid, on the activities we're going to have there, so no worries about it. And as I told you, we are going to talk about more guidelines about the speaking section next week, so no worries so far. General advice, read instructions first. That's the general hint you have here in any examination, not only in French, but in the others. Read instructions, then the questions, and then start the reading or the listening part. Also, how we are going to make sure that we are complying academic honesty in the classroom, especially in French class. So we are going to use self-proctoring with Zoom. So there is a video in our DQL I will show you right now where you can find the instructions on how to self-record. So you have to do it. You have to watch the video before taking the exam. Understand what is going on in the Proctoring procedures, not during or just a minute before. Remember, time is important in this. So you have in DQL, you have week 1, you already have complete the service, introduce yourself in Padlet, in Flipgrid, you have checked Notre Tableau de classe for some notes on grammar, and you have completed Portails assignments. Now you have here a test review. This test review is going to be helpful because you are going to figure out, you are going to understand what is the structure of the exam, what is the kind of questions, and you can practice with it. The exam is in the quizzes section, quizzes tab of the DQL. I'm trying to figure out how to move this. Yes. And it's available from tomorrow until Friday midnight. Remember, complete the assignment, complete the testing before and after you have completed VHL assignments, VHL quizzes, or any other activity before this. Remember, the idea of the exam is to help you to prove or to demonstrate that you are able to perform in French. Respecting the Proctoring. So, in the Proctoring, it's not respecting, it's regarding the Proctoring, you have here some self-proctoring for unit test. You are going to visit this tab on D2L. You are going to read instructions, read the advice. You're going to watch the video, or simply you are going to check the document. There is a document step by step, what is expected from you, and where to submit the link. Once you finish the exam, the unit test, you have to submit it in a Google Forms, because I have to compile this for our coordinator. So I think that that's all. If you have any question, any doubt, just let me know. Remember that you have resources on YouTube for practicing or reviewing grammar stuff, and are particularly designed for this course. So feel free to watch them or watch the one you need, and that's all. Thank you so much for your attention. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.